members of the Bar Association, all mediators of District Jammu, LADCs, panel lawyers, and PLVs of District Jammu. It is my extreme honor and privilege to extend a warm reception to everyone participating in the celebration of the Legal Services Day. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel it apt to begin by invoking a memory of late Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer that society is guilty if anyone suffers unjustly. Today is an appropriate occasion to keep this thought in mind. The idea, which started working in the form of National Legal Committee to oversee the legal aid programs, has taken the shape of the creation of institutions such as National and Legal Services Authorities. The notion of free legal aid finds its root in the idea that no individual should have to undergo trial in the absence of legal assistance. Free legal services is an inalienable element of reasonable, fair and justice procedure. With these words, may I now request my Deputy LADC, Ms. Pooja Jambal, to address the gathering on the occasion of Legal Services.
District Legal Services Authority, respected judicial officers, esteemed members of the bar, panel lawyers and LADCs, dedicated paralegal volunteers and distinguished guests, a very good afternoon to all. It is indeed an honor to address this august gathering on the occasion of National Legal Services Day, a day which marks a collective commitment to the ideals of justice, equality and inclusivity as enshrined in the Constitution of India. Every year on 9th November, we celebrate the coming into force of Legal Services Authorities Act 1987, which became operational in 1995. This landmark legislation gave institutional form to the constitutional promise under Article 39A that the state shall ensure that the operation of legal system promotes justice on the basis of equal opportunity and that no citizen is denied access to justice due to economic.
Chairperson, District Legal Services Authority, senior judges on the dais, and other respected judges of the dais, respected gathering, LADCs, panel lawyers, PLVs, ladies and gentlemen. As Madam has said, that today we have assembled here to celebrate National Legal Day, which is falling tomorrow. But since tomorrow is Sunday, so being of pre-operational assignments, we are holding it today only. In many countries, the pro bono legal services initiatives have been taken.
Commitment to the ideals of justice, equality and inclusivity as enshrined in the Constitution of India. Every year on 9th November, we celebrate the coming into force of Legal Services Authorities Act 1987, which became operational in 1995. This landmark legislation gave institutional form to the constitutional promise under Article 39A that the state shall ensure that the operation of legal system promotes justice on the basis that it is denied access to justice due to economic or other disabilities. The criteria of NALSA, SALSAs and DALSAs have since led the foundation for a comprehensive network of legal aid institutions that seeks not merely to deliver justice but to make justice accessible, affordable and humane.
On the dais, off the dais, learned legal aid, defense counsels, panel lawyers, paralegal volunteers, members of bar, it is always a privilege to be here before you, but to my predicament, it is always at a time when I am completely exhausted with the court work and little energy is left to speak or say something. Dear colleagues, we are celebrating the National Legal Services Day this day marks the beginning of a new era. We all know very well that our society is a heterogeneous society where you find differences of all sorts. So in order to provide an equal platform to the disadvantaged classes, this scheme was envisioned and was given the legal shape. Now it has been quite a long that it has been in operation.
Mr. Anil Sharma, Chief LADC. Ms. Dipali Arora. Ms. Marlene Shah, Paralegal Volunteer. Mr. Bajaj. Mr. Sunil Kogan, Mr. Sahil Khosla,
सबसे पहले तो सबको नेशनल लीगल सर्विसेज डे की बहुत बहुत मुबारक। आज का दिन नेशनल लीगल सर्विसेज अथॉरिटीज थ्रू सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। ये कमेमोरेट करता है जब लीगल सर्विसेज एक्ट और अथॉरिटीज में आए। ये एक पैराडाइम शिफ्ट था हमारे कंट्री में। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं हर तरह के लोग हैं और गरीब लोग जो अपने हकों की रखवाली नहीं कर सकते या उसके लिए कानूनी लड़ाई नहीं लड़ सकते, ये उनके लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसके लिए उनको इंसाफ हासिल करने में मदद की है। इसके अलावा ये दिन ये भी कमेमोरेट करता है कि एक तो लोगों को जो अथॉरिटीज कंसीडर करते हैं उनके बारे में और उनके हकूक़ की हिफाजत कैसे करनी है उसको बताया जाए। दूसरा जो केसेस ऑलरेडी पेंडिंग है उनको एक्सपीडाइट किया। इसके लिए लोक अदालत काफ़ी इसी में लोक अदालत के लिए केसेस का लोगों को आगे आके अपने केसेस को सॉल्व करने का मौका दिया जाता है और उसके साथ ऑल्टरनेट मैकेनिज्म उसके बारे में उनको जानकारी दी जाती है ताकि लोग आगे आए और अपने मसाइल का जल्द अज जल्द और कम लागत में गैर ज़्यादा टाइम ज़्यादा पैसा खर्च इसका हल निकालें। इसलिए मेरी सबसे यही दरख्वास्त है कि वो इन मौके का भरपूर फ़ायदा उठाएं और अपने मसाइल